What's up guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to connect your D28 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here. Today guys, I'm going to show you on how to connect your smartwatch to your smartphone. Alright, so here guys, this is our first time to use the Apple phone to have to connect to our smartwatch guys. So all we just have to do is just the same with the Play Store guys, or with the Android. So just click the App Store, and after that you're going to download Fit Pro. Okay, in this part I already searched Fit Pro, so let's just download it. Alright, so now guys, we have already downloaded our Fit Pro, so we just have to open this one, and here, so turn on all categories. So it is asking us if we are going to turn on sleep analysis, steps, walking and running distance. So just click allow guys, and after that let's just go to our sorry, so let's just go to jump over. So it means that we're not going to log in. So guys, it's just the same setup with our Android. So all you just have to do is go to setting, and as you can see there's no device that is connected, so we'll just have to press bind device to experience more features. Yes, so it wants us to turn our Bluetooth on, so let's turn it on, and we're going to bind device to experience. Okay, as you can see guys, I have here 3 smartwatches that are already turned on. So all we have to do is we're going to click the D20 there, and let's wait. Alright, and the Bluetooth pairing requests. Yes, I think we have successfully connected it guys. So the only difference with this smartwatch guys, the D28, is that it doesn't have any icon that shows that we have already connected our smartwatch to our smartphone. So all we just have to do is we are going to use the find mode to make sure that it has been connected successfully. So let's press this one, and ta-da, it is now connected to our smartwatch because it said here looking for, and it vibrates. Alright guys, so I think that's how easy it is to connect our D28 smartwatch to our smartphone. Alright guys, and here is the application. So it has remote take photos, and also in the mine area we have week steps, week miles, week best, personal information. There's also Apple Health, because Apple product is also the ability to track our fitness. So we also have your motion, so your walking distance, and yes, the calories, and the heart rate, the sleep pattern. So guys, if you want me to do the sleep monitoring test and also the step counter test, just comment down below. I think that's all for our video, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.